What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Ron, mechanic, back with another video. So today I'm gonna tell y'all about changing the thermostat and thermal sensor on a 2007 Buick Lacrosse CX, and I'm gonna show y'all where the thermostat at and show y'all where the temperature sensor at. So right here on top, I already got the housing off. I'm just trying to set it back up there for y'all so y'all can see. But the housing is right here next to this mount. Is right there. And this is for the 3.8 liter V6. It's pretty much sitting right here on top. You got two bolts that you go take off. And once you do that, and of course take the hose off, once you take that off, the housing, your thermostat sits right there. Now I would suggest you replace the ring that's around it. Go ahead and get you a new one, just to save you any trouble. So that's where that there is, and down below, I'm gonna turn the light on so you can see. Right there, that gold shiny thing right there, that is the coolant temperature sensor right there. It's directly up underneath, so it is in a pretty much a tight spot now. So just make sure you got the tools, something for to get to it. There it is right there. That's the sensor. That's the temp sensor. And there go your thermostat, sit right on top. So the problem was, I found out that my temp light came on. So I'm like, okay, well, let me go ahead and kind of like check things out. So I just went on and just bought a temp sensor and a thermostat. So I said, let me go ahead and just get these and check it out. So once the car cooled off, I noticed the hose was like sucked in, like it wasn't letting anything come through. So I was thinking right then and there, I'm like, wait a minute, something must be closed off. And once I turned the cap, the radiator cap, on loosening the pressure, then the hose went back to its regular size. So I'm like, okay, something is being blocked. So here is the old one right here. As you can see, this is the old one. You can see it wasn't looking too hot. I think it was stuck. That's the old thermostat. And here's the old temp sensor. As you can see, it's real jacked up. So I done took those two off. And I went to AutoZone for to get a new sensor. This right here. I went and got this. Oh, I'm about to knock my screw down. Need that. Hold on, y'all. Gotta get that screwed right there. Need that, buddy. Yes. Come here. There we go. Alright. So, yes. Like I said, this is the part that I got from AutoZone. Right here. This is the sensor. And this sensor here, it comes with a new plug. So evidently they must know that the original plug right here evidently must go bad or something, because I'm looking at it up close. It does look like it's kind of frail a little bit, you know. I don't know if y'all can see it that good, but it does look like it's kind of a little fragile looking though. So you see the difference, just the new one right here and just the old one. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that also. And while I was under here, I also replaced the reservoir tank too. So I put the new one on. Here is the old one right here. Yep, not that good of a shape. So I just went on and took that off. And I can tell y'all, this here is real easy to change out on these lacrosses. All you have is just these two little bolts right here. Once you take those off, all you do just pull it up. That's pretty much it. Pull it up. Because it has a little housing, like a little small housing nut that it sits on. All you do just pull this up. It come right on off. And here's the hose right here. There's a little clamp that connects on to this right here. And this end, it goes to the radiator part right there. So that's real easy for that. So it's really nothing hard about that at all. And by the way, that is a 10 millimeter that you'll be using for that. And the same for the housing to take that off, 10 millimeter. So that's basically what you're using. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, the problem was my temperature gauge, it was kind of fluctuating, and all of a sudden then it went to red. The light came on. So I pulled over, let the car cool off, then started it back up, then brought it on home. And that's when I got to checking things out. And like I said, once the car had cooled off, I noticed the hose was like sucked in. Like it wasn't getting any air, like something was blocked off from it. I released the cap, then it went back to its regular size. So that's pretty much it, y'all, as far as any temp problems on this here. All right, so I'm finna go ahead and put everything back together, and let's see how everything come out. Okay, everybody, I got everything put back together, and I can tell you that the car is running a whole lot better. I noticed the difference. And you can see there's the new reservoir tank right there installed. Can't see up under there, but the new thermostat is installed also, and also the temp sensor is installed also. So yeah, everything is looking good. Car is running right. Even the fans are kicking in pretty much at the right temperature now. They come on, but you can barely hear them. Matter of fact, you don't even hear them until you really look. I just took the car around the block. Matter of fact, more than up the block. Took it out of the neighborhood, drove a little bit for about a few minutes, whatever so. Made another trip, came back. Temperature is still looking good. It's pretty much at the normal that it should be. So everything came out good. The car is running smoother. No problems. And just to show y'all one more time what I changed up. Changed that out. Tank reservoir. And also, here's the old temperature sensor right here. And here's the old thermostat. So pretty much, this thing right here was stuck and wasn't allowing any coolant or anything to go through. So this is the old one. So those two things, what I changed out, well, really three if you include that. And coolant wise, this is what I use right here since I have a GM. This right here. So yeah, once again, everything is running correctly now. No problems at all. Sounding good, running good. The temperature is running at the right temp that it's supposed to. No problem. Show y'all the temp right quick. There you go. Everything is running smooth, like I said. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, anybody else that have a Buick Lacrosse, this is the 3.8 liter right here. If you're having a problem with that temp, like I said, check those two things. That temperature sensor and check that thermostat. Those two things right there will make your car go haywire. You'll definitely see it on your dashboard when the light come on. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Everything is done. So this DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank all my subscribers for supporting your boy. So, hey, I'm out. On to the next one.